Liz! Call me Liz! I'm sorry, did someone call my name? Happy New Year! Hi! It's me! Do you remember me? Do you remember what I look like and sound like? I do not. You know how long it's been? It's been August. 4 months. It's been 4? 5? That is so long. First of all, I sincerely apologize that I have not been updating you. I have not shown any sign of life. I've just basically been dead to you. Like, I might as well have. You would not have known the difference. I'm so sorry about that. I was just kind of figuring things out. If you have seen some of my last videos, I was kind of struggling with, well, basically kind of my mental health. I just wasn't in the best place mentally, and I just wasn't feeling it with YouTube, partially because I think I moved and it's just all different now that I live here. For me personally, not for you, nothing's different. It is different because I stopped uploading, but never mind. Anyway, for the last couple of months, I just wasn't in the mood to do YouTube, so I just didn't, and it was nice. But a lot of things changed. Like, I moved out, I got a boyfriend and he's living with me, which also makes it harder for me to say I'm gonna do YouTube now because it's a studio, so we only have one room. But also, I got a new job. I started it in December, but they hired me like 2 months before that, so I knew for a long time that it was coming, and I was kind of preparing for that, and I just was not happy anymore at my old job, which kind of played a part in my mental health. It was just really stressing me out to be there. There was a bug. It just got too much for me in my head, mostly because of my old job. So anyway, I switched. What are you doing? I'm rambling. I got a new job and I'm working 4 days a week now instead of 2, which is a lot more, but I just really enjoy my job and I wanted to do more of it. I've been loving it and it's so much better than my old job. I've been there for like a month now, but mentally I'm already doing so much better, and oh my god, I killed it. Ew. So I've taken some time for myself and it's been really nice, and lately it's just been itching a little bit to make another video again, see how I would like it, see if I would like filming again, editing again. But I do have a video that I want to film tomorrow and I'm really excited about. I think that's gonna be really fun. Maybe I will try some new things that you have not seen before, but just things that I want to film, that I want to talk about, and not just what you guys expect of me. But I will see how it goes. I just wanted to let you know I'm back. You can expect another video of me soon. I'm so excited for it. I hope you missed me a little bit, maybe a little bit. I for sure have missed you and sometimes worried that you might think I'm dead. I hope you did not. I love you, and if you have watched this video again, I love you so much. I appreciate you that even after I've been gone for like 5 months, you still want to watch this video. I really appreciate that you're so interested. Look forward to another video coming soon. So excited. Happy New Year. See you soon. Bye.